ସତ କହିବାକୁ ଗଲେ ଟୁ ବି ଅନେଷ୍ଟ ମୁଁ କିଛି ଜାଣିନି। I know nothing ମିଛରେ କହୁଥିଲି। I was lying ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ହରାଇବାକୁ ଚାହେଁନି। I don't wanna lose you ମୁଁ କିଛି ଚାହେଁ ନାହିଁ। I don't want anything ପାଗଳ ହୁଅନି। Don't get mad ଦୂରତା ବଜାୟ ରଖନ୍ତୁ। maintain distance ସେ ମୋ ବିରୁଦ୍ଧରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି। he is against me ବହୁତ ମଜା। lots of fun ବହୁତ ଭଲ ପାଇବା। lots of love ମୋତେ ପୁରୁଣା ଗୀତ ଭଲ ଲାଗେ। I love old songs ସୋମବାର ଦିନ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖା ହେବି। see you on Monday ଏହା ହୋଇଗଲା। it's done ଏହା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ହୋଇସାରିଛି। it's already done ଆପଣ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ। thanks to all of you କି ସୁନ୍ଦର ନା। what a pretty name ଇଏ କିଏ? who is this ଇଏ ମୁଁ। it's me ମୁଁ ଭାବିଲି ତୁମ ଭଉଣୀ। I thought your sister ସେ ମୋ ପରି ନୁହେଁ। she is not like me ସବୁ ସମୟରେ। all the time ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ସକାଳେ ମୁଁ ଉଠେ। I get up every morning ତୁମର ଧ୍ୟାନ କେଉଁଠି? where is your attention ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ଅନ୍ୟମନସ୍କ ଥିଲି। I was a little distracted କେଉଁ କାରଣରୁ? for what reason ସେ ବହୁତ ସରଳ। he is very simple ମୁଁ ତାର ଓଲଟା। I am the opposite ଏହା ବହୁତ ଥଣ୍ଡା। it's so cold ତୁମେ ରୋଷେଇ ଜାଣିଛ? Do you know how to cook? Do you know how to cook? ମୋ ପାଇଁ କିଛି ଚକୋଲେଟ୍ ଆଣ। Bring some chocolates for me. Bring some chocolates for me. କହିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ। No need to say. No need to say. ତୁମର ପ୍ରତିଜ୍ଞା ମନେ ରଖ। Remember your promise. Remember your promise. ଆପଣଙ୍କର ପାସୱାର୍ଡ ମନେ ରଖନ୍ତୁ। Remember your password. Remember your password. ଏହି ଫଟୋକୁ ଦେଖ। Look this picture. Look this picture. ଏହାକୁ ଛୁଅଁ ନାହିଁ। Don't touch it. Don't touch it. ସଦାବେଳେ ହସୁଥାଅ। Always smiling. Always smiling. କୋଉଠି ଲୁଚିଛ? Where are you hiding? Where are you hiding? ମୁଁ ଖୋଜି ପାଉନି। I could not find. I could not find. ସବୁଆଡ଼େ ଖୋଜ। Search everywhere. Search everywhere. ମୋର ଧୈର୍ଯ୍ୟ ନାହିଁ। I have no patience. I have no patience. ଫୋନ ଉଠାଅ। Pick up the phone. Pick up the phone. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଶୁଣିପାରୁନି। I can't hear you. I can't hear you. ପୁଣି ଥରେ ଫୋନ କର। Call again. Call again. ଫୋନ କାଟିଦିଅ। Hang up the call. Hang up the call. କିଛି ସାହାଯ୍ୟ ଦରକାର କି? Need any help? Need any help? ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ପସନ୍ଦ କର? What do you like? What do you like?